you might have heard of
Texas Joe.
in Olongapo City, an American-style diner and barbecue joint known for its authentic smoked meats and western vibe. So we are here to show you what makes this place a must-visit for food lovers and barbecue fans alike. That's our dinner.
Here we are at Texas Joe's American Smokehouse. So this restaurant is said to be one of the first American smokehouse here in Subic, Olongapo, or maybe here around here. I don't know, but yeah, they say this is authentic, smoky American smokehouse. Let's see if it's really smoky. So for dinner, we ordered the ultimate nachos, a regular ultimate nachos, a Tennessee trio, that's 1,050 pesos, and a Texas-style carnitas, 590 pesos. So before we start, let's try their sauces first. They got 3 different kinds of sauces. The white one, the original, the yellow, the Carolina honey, and then the red one, the habanero hot. This is the original. I'm not sure what kind of sauce it is. It's color, it's a little bit pinkish. Nacho sauce, barbecue sauce. That tastes like cumin. It tastes a lot like cumin. This one is a little bit red. I think this is a barbecue sauce. Yeah, this is a barbecue sauce. And then the red one, habanero hot. Yeah, it's even darker. And just plain hot sauce. Wow! So this is our starter, our ultimate nachos. Wow, it's ultimate. I think so. So it comes with the side of pico de gallo and what's this? Ice cream? Or cream cheese? More like cream cheese. First bite, you eat first. So it's basically just normal nachos, nothing unique about it. So let's try with the dip. So what's the dip? Yeah. The cream just makes it a lot better. Yeah. Alright, so our 2 other dishes are here. We got some carnitas and some soft tacos. No, this is the tortilla wrapper. So we got some carnitas and a tortilla wrapper. So let's make some carnitas. 1, 2, one more. 3 meats, and then let's put some pico de gallo, some mystery sauce. Not sure what this is. Mystery sauce. What's this? Some butter or some cream cheese. A squeeze of lemon. A squeeze of lemon. Some parsley. Right here. So here is the ultimate carnitas. So here we got our carnitas. Looks pretty good. Smells pretty good. It's time to eat. So you eat first again. It's actually deep fried pork, but it might look a little bit dry, yeah, but it's definitely tender and soft. Very plain, very basic, simple yet good tacos. So the meat itself actually doesn't have much of the flavor. So the flavor primarily comes from the sides. So we got some tomato-based sauce, some pico de gallo, and then the parsley. Yeah. So our main course here, we got the Tennessee trio. Wow, that's a lot of meat. So we got a quarter piece of chicken, some baby back ribs, and then some smoked brisket. And then we got a side of the dirty rice and some fries. Wow. I think I can finish this whole plate easily, yeah? Smells smoky, smells very interesting. Wow. Let's dig in. So of course, let's start with the beef brisket, the smoked beef brisket. So their smoked beef brisket here is looks a little bit tender, yeah, but I don't see the smoke ring. I don't see the smoke ring on the beef. Anyways, let's try it. So yeah, very tender, but not melt in our mouth. But it doesn't have some smokiness in it. I don't taste the smoke. Yeah, you don't see the smoke ring on the side of the beef. It's gray all around. So it is pretty much gray all throughout the meat. So next, let's try the baby back ribs. So they are actually famous for their baby back ribs. Wow, look at this huge piece of baby back ribs. So we got 2 ribs here. So let's try their baby back ribs. They're famous Texas Joe's baby back ribs. So that's a lot better than the brisket and the beef brisket. Yeah, here in the baby back ribs, I can actually taste the smoke. And it's pretty, yeah, so it's pretty soft. Tears up apart pretty easily. So the last thing we got on our plate, besides the side dishes, is the hard piece of chicken leg. So let's try that. So let's try a piece of that. Chicken leg. Let's get with the skin. Here. Chicken leg. Wow, I also like their chicken. Different kind of smoke from the baby back ribs. Very flavorful. Let's try their sides. We got some rice. Sides. The price is pretty standard. We got some rice. Jollof. We got some dirty rice here. Dirty rice tastes more like garlic rice. And then we got some size of beans. Alright, so definitely the main thing that stands out here on this plate is the ribs. Next is the chicken, and then lastly the beef brisket. Sadly, yeah, very sad. Alright, so our total bill is 2,005 pesos. So that's a pretty full meal. I'm very full, and then yeah, and then I can say that there's actually nothing surprising about the meal here. Texas Joe's American authentic Smokehouse doesn't taste that much authentic, and then I can say the food are alright and not that good. Well, it's not bad, but it's maybe if I'm gonna rate it out of 10, I'm gonna give it 7.5 out of 10. I don't taste much from the smoke. I don't really think it's authentic American Smokehouse. Okay, Texas Joe's. Maybe we should go swimming right now, even though it's night. Let's go swimming. Okay, cut.